everyone, welcome back to the Drive Vault, and buckle up, because what you're about to see is something I'm pretty sure 99% of people have never imagined an RV could ever become. Today, we're diving inside a brand new 2026 double-decker camper bus from Mitsubishi that doesn't just break the rules. It politely picks them up, folds them into a paper airplane, and throws them straight out the window. And the moment you see this thing, you already know. This isn't camping. This is rolling luxury. This is a mansion that decided wheels were more practical than real estate. And the crazy part? It's not just the size, it's the feeling you get when you look at it. That little jolt of weight. This shouldn't exist, but it does. And trust me, the deeper we go into this thing, the wilder it gets. From the outside, the first thing that hits you is the scale. It's tall, long, smooth, almost too clean to be real. It looks less like an RV and more like a futuristic tour bus designed for someone who probably owns their own island. The body is shaped with these soft curves that help it slice through the air, and the front end has this huge panoramic windshield that makes it look like a luxury train fused with a private jet. The lighting is all modern, razor sharp, LED strips in the front and rear. And the paint has that expensive shine that reminds you this isn't a budget build. This is the kind of machine that pulls into a campground and turns every head before it even parks. But don't let the smooth exterior fool you. This thing is built like a rolling fortress. Triple rear axles, massive wheels, and a perfectly balanced frame make it feel more stable than most houses. And Mitsubishi leaned hard into the 2026 future era vibe. No unnecessary vents, no boxy corners. Everything flows like it was sculpted in a wind tunnel. Now here's where things take a turn, because once you step inside, it doesn't just surprise you, it kind of ruins every other RV you've ever seen. The doors open and suddenly you're standing in something that looks more like a designer apartment in LA than a motorhome. The lighting is soft and warm. The floors are clean and modern. The furniture feels custom-built. And there's this sense of space, actual space, something RVs pretend to offer but rarely achieve. The kitchen alone feels like a luxury condo. Marble-style countertops, a deep stainless sink, a chef-grade stove, built-in wine storage, espresso machine. Everything is tucked neatly into the cabinetry like it belongs in a high-end restaurant. And what really sells it is how open it feels. You can cook, talk, entertain, move around. It doesn't feel like you're squeezing into a corner or stepping on someone else's toes. It feels normal. It feels livable. Move a little deeper, and you're greeted by a lounge that makes you forget you're even inside a vehicle. Plush leather seating, panoramic windows, soft LED accents, and this calm modern design that wraps around you. If you told someone they were on the second floor of a penthouse, they'd probably believe you. And because this is a double-decker platform, the space isn't fighting itself. The living area can actually breathe while the bedrooms stay private upstairs. Up the stairs, the magic continues. The master bedroom feels like something you'd find in a boutique hotel. A wide, comfortable bed, clean wood accents, ambient lighting, and enough natural light that mornings feel peaceful instead of cramped. And yes, there's storage. Actual usable storage, not those awkward half-open RV cabinets. Everything feels intentional, as if Mitsubishi wanted this to be a 5-star experience on wheels. And of course, there's the bathroom. You don't expect much from RV bathrooms until you step into this one. A full-size shower, modern fixtures, premium surfaces. It's not good for an RV. It's just good. Period. If someone brought you here blindfolded, you'd never guess you were inside a motorhome. But here's where it gets even more impressive. This might look like a luxury hotel rolling down the highway, but it was designed for the future. The 2026 powertrain setup leans heavily into the EV hybrid world. That means whisper-quiet movement, smooth acceleration, and a driving experience that feels more like a modern bus, but with the calmness of an electric SUV. And since it's Mitsubishi, durability and long-trip consistency are baked into the DNA. Whether you're cruising the California coast, climbing through Colorado, or rolling across the open flat highways of Texas, this thing brings comfort that doesn't fade after a few hundred miles. Performance-wise, you're looking at something that takes all the stress out of driving a giant rig. Semi-autonomous driver assistance, camera-based blind spot coverage, adaptive cruise, everything you'd expect from a 2026 flagship vehicle. And with that strong hybrid system, it handles long distances without constantly searching for charging stations. It's the balance people have been asking for. The comfort of electric power without the anxiety. Now I know the big question: what does something like this cost? And the short answer is a lot. A machine of this size and luxury doesn't come in cheap. Depending on configuration, tech package, and customization, this thing easily climbs into the high six figures and can break into 7. That puts it in the same category as the top-tier luxury motorhomes designed for people who want the absolute best. But here's where things get interesting. In the era of 2026, where RVs are either too basic or shockingly overpriced for what you get, this double-decker camper bus stands out because it doesn't pretend to be something else. It is luxury. It knows it. And instead of cutting corners or trying to look futuristic while still feeling outdated inside, Mitsubishi went all in. Comfort, technology, space, design. Everything works together. This is more than an RV. It's an experience. It's the feeling of waking up every morning in a new place without sacrificing the life you're used to. It's the freedom of travel mixed with the comfort of home without compromise. And that's why this camper is such a big deal for 2026. It represents that next step where RVs aren't just for weekend trips. They're for people who want to live on the road, fully, without missing anything. And honestly, whether you're a camper, a traveler, a tech lover, or someone who just appreciates beautiful design, it's hard not to admire what Mitsubishi has created here. A double-decker luxury bus that doesn't feel experimental. It feels ready, like it belongs in the future we're heading toward. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more unbelievable future campers, crazy concept RVs, and the wild designs rolling into 2026, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of this camper shocked you the most. Because trust me, we've got way more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.